Okay, so I'm Caitlin, and I'm from Digilent, and I am the instrumentation product manager. So I'm here to talk about a product that isn't new to us. It's been in development for a while, but it's new to this crowd. So first, if you're not familiar with Digilent, speak up. Okay. Oh, quiet voice. If you're not familiar with Digilent, I'll give you a little background on us. So we're based in Washington, and we're a company founded by two electrical and computer engineering professors who wanted to make bench equipment and development boards more accessible to students and make it so that they could have a more hands-on experience. And they started to notice that as these students graduated and they became professional engineers, they took that equipment with them and oftentimes preferred to use it because they didn't have to go into the lab, they could work at their desks. More specifically, we have a line of FPGA development boards, microcontroller boards, and then portable instrumentation. And as the instrumentation product manager, I'm here to talk about instrumentation. And that's a selection of our products. So here at our booth, we're focused on the Analog Discovery 2, which is designed to be a workbench, a whole test equipment of tools into one small portable device. So it has analog tools like an oscilloscope, waveform generator, digital tools like logic analyzer, pattern generator, protocol analyzer, a bunch of tools, you can see them listed there. And it's run by a software that's cross-compatible, Mac, Linux, and Windows compatible, and designed to just you download the software, plug it into your computer, and you can get testing. Here's a slide with a summary of the specifications. So being a USB device, the oscilloscope has a 30 megahertz bandwidth, and the waveform generator has a 12 megahertz bandwidth, which is pretty good for a small device, and it has 12 different tools. So all the tools are listed there as well. So a great device for you're out in the field, or you just don't want a whole bench top of equipment for working on amplifier circuits or filters, things of that nature. So I briefly mentioned the software. So the software comes with the device. It's free to download, cross-compatible. It's really quick to download and install. You'll see it happening right here. So one of my favorite parts about this product and about the software is that we do our technical support on our technical forum, and the software developer is on that forum. So we get a lot of customers that want to write a custom application or they need help, and they can get the help they need directly on our forum. And while it's going, this is the Analog Discovery 2. So you can see how small it is, fits in your backpack, purse, pocket, so you can bring it out in the field with you. There we go. So this is Waveforms, the software. And when you open it, you get up and running, you plug in a USB port, connect to your device, and then you can open all of the different tools from your computer. So here you can see the oscilloscope, user interface, and the waveform generator. So if you have more questions or need more information, you can visit us at we're in Building 3, booth 3002. And we have a special bundle that we created with the Ham Radio Workbench podcast. And listeners get a special promotion on it. So if you're a listener of the Ham Radio Workbench podcast, you should check it out.
How much is it?
The Analog Discovery 2 is $279, and that comes with the device, the free software, the support, and some basic accessories.
Can you show it again to the camera?
A great presentation, huh? Thank you.